Hi everyone, welcome to Simon Tools. And today I have something we have to do repair and something we cannot buy, or if you're lucky you can buy one, and it would be good if you don't have to repair them. Do you remember that on this Sunday I about prepared to painting, and one passenger I driver side have water rotted in, so the water rotted in and I cannot clear all the yellowies and the light look very doughy. So what I did is use the heat gun. I tried to do repair, and as long as it worked, I got the heat gun hit on the glasses until it hot and it start to melt out the old glues, and we can take it off by this one. See this one? Go in here and get it out slowly, and it will come up slowly. See, this is how you watching people do on the repairing the light. They all about to do the same. They need a heat gun, just hit them all around and then get something go like that. And very careful, don't do or push any force on it. And then when we take it off, because it's inside, we cannot clean or anything. See, the yellow is the water here. Later we do that, we paint in a little bit same color, gray if you got. But most important is the reflexible. We tried before many years ago, back in the old day. We got the old Falcon XF. We try to do the same way, but we try to buy a clear, what I call chrome spray. It's not working. Chrome spray or anything, it's more flashing, or it's not shiny like this one. You see this one have a little bit of shiny, and you can see the shadow. So you see the shadow, but the chrome spray we put on before, it's not working at all. And we turn on the light, it's very doughy. So I tried to repair this one just because we can't buy another one, or we cannot find anything yet at the moment. We can't find it, so we have to make it look this one, the foil. If you can get the foil more shiny, better. It's like the clean grab foil, but a little bit too thin. But I don't want to go that one, so I go for this one, a little bit harder, but it's not as good as the foil. The foil more shiny. Okay, I repeat again, the king foil more shiny and more flexible to put in here. But I worry that put in and too thin, and the heat and the time being, the foil won't last long, so I better put this one on. But I forgot how to say, the more shiny it is, the more reflection, see, you get. But the tin foil should be good. I will show you the foil, see which be better, okay? Because that's all I can find from the shop this day. And see if we can get something very shiny and make more reflection. And when you turn on the light, the beam, the light go out straight. Take the rulers, measurement the width from here to here, top one, from here to here, and cut and try to put this piece on first. And this one will be last, and this bottom end the same. I want this one in the bottom end in 11 centimeters. So now we can cut and put this one in first. So very easy. We don't want any paint going here, because the paint for long term, the paint and the heat will be gone. The heat will hit the paint away. Okay. Okay, we got this one in 11 centimeters, so we got it there. So out, and I go in this one in 4 centimeters. 4 centimeters. Okay, so I cut about 5 centimeters. Make sure it's a little bit longer, better. Okay, longer, better. Okay. We cut this one down and cut and shape from here and shape from here, and join them on from all the way from out here and all the way from out here. That's still a little bit shaky. They're out here. And here we go. See, we've got our first one. See that one? We will cover this one. Now you can stick them on with a little bit of super glues and a little bit of silicone, and it'll be alright. So hopefully it stay there for good. And go down. See, we got one piece down the bottom end done. See that one there, and now this one go on like that. It couldn't hurt, okay? Couldn't hurt. It's go forever, man. Put some super glue in there and go on the edge and go there. And when it's steady, it's going to stay there for you forever. See, no damage, no nothing. Okay. And don't want to damage to your old one, old reflection here. This one they last very long. Just if you keep the weather alright and the water and everything else, it should be alright. See, this here I should do if I would use, and I got more flexible all around. See, check the top one, yep. And this one we have to do all around and do exactly like this one. So this one a little bit wider, it's a little bit bigger. So this one wider. This is a high beam. It's go 15 centimeters and 6 centimeters. So we go here. You gotta cut see, 15 centimeter, yep, all the way there, and 5 centimeter right there. Okay, we get you will cut 6 centimeters. So we will cut 6 centimeters and 15 centimeter in. Very easy, okay? No worries, Simon can do anything. Simon can do anything, man. Okay, another one down, and we do the top one and the side one last, okay? Ready? Complete job, and you can have your very good reflection. It's not as good reflection for like this one, but it's like 80%. It's alright. That's what I want, and that's all I need. Now we put silicone foam lace, and then we spray a little bit of color around the edge here. Make it sealed up and get away the yellowy part. And when you put the glass on, it looks very cool. Cover up like this, and then I start to painting wherever I need to paint, I paint. Wherever I don't worry about it, okay? So I want the reflection a little bit wider. So I better white color, I better stick with the silver. Because no good dark color. Where my silver paint? Any more silver? No more silver, huh? No more silver, man. Whew. I got a little bit of white. I just put them on. Okay, even look better. Whiter. Just when you put the clear glasses on, it makes it look a little bit new. The reflection will make the look of the clear light will no doughy, and it bring out the white color, so it should be alright. That's all you really need, man. You don't really need to paint too much, okay? That's all I need, and I don't have to go and buy silver. Forget it, no money. Okay, and then take it up and put the glass on later. You can use any silicone to put one around here and put the glasses on. Any silicone you got at home, man. Don't have to be fancy or you have to buy a new one. If you don't have money, stay home. If you got something, just put them on, man. So don't have to be fancy, okay? Try to be tight-ass and save some money like Simon. I only got white silicone, so I use white silicone, okay? Like this. Get your glasses out. The glass inside before were yellowy and got some water in it, and I've been washed and cleaned with petrol, and should be alright for put everything back in. Wouldn't hurt. So a good one. It save money, okay? The good way is try to save some money for you, not for me. Whatever you think Simon do here no good, you can buy some and see, use the clips here, clips it here, and then they will hold the silicone there. You don't have to grab and clean nothing with the old brackets like here. See, I need 2 hands, man. This one too strong. This one very powerful, man. Powerful, man. Okay, powerful. How powerful you are, I don't know. I only need to do my jobs, and I need to work in the right way. Okay, all now they clip itself in, and now you have to do is just get the rags and clean all around. Whatever you want to leave, up to you. You can leave whatever you want. Okay, it's not me. I just have to clean it, make it look a little bit fancy. That's all. Okay. Some silicone stuck outside the front. Don't worry. Leave it there later. See, this is the one that I've been repaired, right? And oh, out of the way. Oh shit! Don't throw it on me. Give me hard time, man. I don't know how this one stay. Okay, just stay like that, like the other one. Okay, the original one. This is the good one, the driver's passenger side. We call the passenger side, and this is the driver's side. And before it looked yellowy and doughy in last video, you see the car. Now it look like 80% match. Oh, you see the light, the mark, the rust is here. The water go up all the way in here, more than half of the light. That's why we don't expect the light still bright, because the rust is out. And test it for you, you will see the difference. Okay, we just leave it like that and turn on the light, driving and high beam. Driving and high beam. See, driving. Beautiful. Can you see the difference? See, it's about, see that one about 100%, this one 80%, better than before. Before looked very yellowy and no one accepted. Now I accept it. High beam. See, beautiful, beautiful. I love it. I'm happy with it now. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching Simon 2 repair headlight for the old car. I'm happy with the way it is now, and its work look like original, to be honest. Not bad looking. Okay, we put everything back on and ready to paint the car. See ya on the next videos when we finish the car, go down the road.